All right, so we're about to take the test over TEKS 8.5 AB and 6.6A, which has to do with properties of matter, periodic table, and comparing elements. We'll go ahead and get started. Number one, what is an element? Is it A, a substance made up from two or more simpler substances? Is it B, the basic unit of matter? C, a substance that is a good conductor of heat and electricity? Or is it D, a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler materials? Number two, the formula for one molecule of glucose is shown below, C6H12O6. How many different elements make up one molecule of glucose? Is it A, 3 elements, B, 6 elements, C, 12 elements, or D, 24 elements? Number three, each element has a unique name. How else can an element be represented? Is it A, by its mass, B, by the period, C, by its chemical symbol, or D, by an identification number? Number four, how do scientists represent the element hydrogen on the periodic table? Is it A, with the letter H, B, the letters HE, C, H2O, or D, CO2? Number five, calcium is an element number 20. Which of the following statements is true about calcium? A, it is a pure substance. B, it is a compound. C, it is a mixture. Or D, it is a suspension. Number six, what elements are most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Is it A, water and air, B, nitrogen and oxygen, C, silicon and aluminum, or is it D, carbon? We'll move to number seven. Make sure you take a real good look here at our graphic. It shows the elements and their percentages. This identifies elements that makes up the Earth's crust. So number seven, which of the following is a true statement about the elements found in Earth's crust? Is it A, exactly 8 elements make up all of Earth's crust? B, most of Earth's crust is made up of only a few elements? C, the Earth's crust is made up entirely of silicon and oxygen? Or is it D, all of the elements that make up the Earth's crust do not combine with each other? Number 8, ocean water is about 96.5% water. What are the most abundant elements in ocean water? Is it A, oxygen and hydrogen, B, sodium and oxygen, C, potassium and carbon, or D, magnesium and hydrogen? Number 9, which statement written below is the best definition of air? Is it A, air is mostly water, B, air is mostly oxygen and carbon, C, air is a single chemical element, or D, air is a mixture of a few different gases? Number 10, metals share certain physical properties. Which property do most metals share? Is it A, brittle, B, malleable, C, a poor conductor of heat and electricity, or D, low boiling point? Number 11, which of the molecules below is an element? Is it A, CH4, B, H2, C, H2O, or D, CO2? Number 12, this diagram shows a portion of the periodic table. So what property makes shaded elements useful in electronic equipment such as computers? Again, use this portion of the periodic table. Is it A, they are all malleable and bend easily? B, they are gases at room temperature, so they are light in weight? C, they have a complete set of valence electrons and do not react? Or D, they are semiconductors of electricity? 13. Which physical properties are associated with most nonmetals? Is it A, they are dull, insulators, and brittle? Is it B, they are shiny, good conductors, and malleable? Is it C, they are dull, good conductors, and brittle? Or is it D, shiny, insulators, and brittle? Number 14. Which material is a good conductor of electricity? Is it A, glass, B, plastic, C, iron, or D, wood? And lastly, we have number 15. A student designs a faster, more efficient cell phone charger from research in the science lab. He chooses an element for his charging cable that has malleability, it conducts electricity very well, and can be made into small, thin wires. He probably chose which element based on those properties. Is it A, hydrogen, B, carbon, C, copper, or D, argon? If you need to go back and review the video to go over questions before you make an answer, please feel free to do that, and good luck.